In this content you will get 4 templates in total. That is divided into 2 sections: dynamic templates and static templates. Dynamic templates are templates that will create tiles in dynamic manner, means not in straight line. And static templates are templates that will create tiles in straight line. Dynamic templates and static template divided into 2 subsections: dynamic tiles and static tiles. Dynamic tiles will create and destroy tiles as needed or not needed. Means more process power, but less memory use. Static tiles will create tiles once and teleport from end to start. Its use method called pooling. Its need less process power but more memory.